Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change language in Theme app. So let's get started. Open the Temu app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. By opening the application theme on the home page at the bottom of the screen, in the very center, click on your profile. Clicking on your profile will open a drop-down menu where you can scroll down to the settings option and click on it. Then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, scroll down to the language option and click on it. The application will open a new page with the offered languages. It's up to you to choose which language you want and click on it. By selecting the desired language, the application will be automatically updated and displayed in the new language. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can change the language in the theme app to suit your preferences. It's a quick and easy process that can make your user experience even better. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.